In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox fields in Adobe Acrobat Forms. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. With the document open, head to the Tools area and choose Prepare Form. This switches Acrobat into form editing mode. If a prompt appears asking you to select a file, choose your PDF and click Start. Acrobat may automatically detect any existing fields, which you'll see outlined on the page. That's normal and can save time. You can keep or adjust those later. At the top, you'll see the Prepare Form toolbar. Click the checkbox field icon. This toolbar also shows other field types, like text fields and radio buttons. So make sure you've selected checkbox. A quick note. Checkboxes allow users to select multiple options, while radio buttons limit them to just one in a group, so choose the one that matches your form's intent. Now click anywhere on the page where you want the checkbox to appear. If you simply click, Acrobat places a default-sized checkbox. If you click and drag, you can draw the exact size you want right away. If you need precision, zoom in a bit before placing it so you can align it with your text or layout more cleanly. Once the checkbox is on the page, double-click it to open its properties. Give it a clear, unique name. This is important because each checkbox needs its own name to function independently. If you leave duplicate names, they'll behave like linked controls, which is usually not what you want for checkboxes. In these properties, you can also decide whether you want the checkbox to be checked by default. That can be helpful for agreements or selections that are commonly chosen. Under the Options tab, customize the style and appearance. You can adjust the check style, like a check mark or cross, and add a helpful tooltip. Tooltips are short messages that appear when someone hovers over the checkbox, guiding them on what the option means. Repeat the process to add more checkboxes wherever you need them. Click the checkbox tool, place the field on the page, and refine its properties so each one is clearly named and set up the way you want. Consistency in naming and styling will make your form easier to use and maintain. When you're finished, save the PDF to preserve your interactive, fillable form. Use Save to overwrite the existing file, or Save, as if you'd like to keep a copy. That's it. Your checkboxes are ready for users to click and complete.